sir, basically, we want to know your introduction. What are you? What is this organization all about?
This college is founded. This college was founded by late Justice Murtaza Hussain Sahab. He was the first Lokayukt of UP state, and this is almost charitable college. Means we just take the fees from the students, and our motive is to provide maximum to them. Means in terms of quality of education, in terms of infrastructure, in terms of books, and all of those things. The government does not take any profit from this college. Whatever they earn, they reinvest in the college.
Sure.
Okay. So right now, since our founder, chairperson, late Murtaza Hussain Sahab, is no more, so his son, Justice Murtaza, is chairing the management committee, and one of his nephew, Mr. Murtaza Hussain Khan, is the secretary of the college.
Okay.
And this is the one of the oldest self-finance college of the Lucknow, of very Lucknow University. And law courses are our, you can say that, premier courses. This college was started with the 5 years law in 1998, and since then we are running this course successfully. And after that we started B.Ed, BBA, LLB 3 years, BCom, MCom, BA, and BDC courses, and all those are running very successfully.
Sir, the next question for you. Being a senior member of the college, what is your philosophy of leadership?
As per my view, leadership is the type of activity in which we provide, any leader provides the right direction to his team, gives them working atmosphere, and although we are human beings, we commit mistakes also. So without scolding them for their mistakes, duty of the leader is that to come forward and take the responsibility of that mistake, because his or her team has committed that, and rectify that mistake without getting any harm to the college.
Thank you, sir. The next question is, the education system in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. In your experience, what can inbound student gain for studying in your college?
Actually, as you also know that since this session, this university has also opted the new education policy. And if you go through the new education policy, then you will see that this policy has been formulated to cope up with the international education system. Actually, previously, as I think you also have studied through this old system of education especially, where you enter in the college, graduation system, you study in first year, and somehow or unfortunately any student is not able to continue the studies, then he has to withdraw the studies, and if 4 to 5 years after he wants to continue, then he has to again re-admit.
Yes.
And 1 or 2 years previously they gone wasted. But now in this new education policy, the system is providing credit score system to the students per in Europe and America.
Yes.
That if any student completes the first year of his or her graduation, and now further is not in the position to continue, then he will leave, and he will get a certificate of that course. And after a few years, he again wants to resume the studies. Then he may come to the college, join, and get complete the studies, or he stop his studies after 2 years. Then he get a certificate. Sorry, that diploma. Then after 3 years, the degree, and after 4 years, he will be able to join the PhD course, or he may enter in the PG course, and after 1 year he will get the PhD degree. So in this way, this education system has provided the very liberty to the student, and also interdisciplinary mode of education also introduced. Means if you are studying in BSc course,
Okay.
and you might have some interest in like economics, but previously we were not able to study economics along with the BSc courses, or you are studying in BA, not able to study chemistry. But now it is possible. If we are studying in BSc, then we can learn, we can study one paper of economics or sociology or any other subject. So these are the liberty we have provided to the students in time also.
Sir, can you please tell me how does the curriculum of your college ensure the best practice of industry?
Actually, curriculum is designed by the university itself. We are here just to implement that curriculum and teach the students. But we have some liberty also.
Okay.
That earlier it was very, you can say that classroom teaching and book studies. Those two things are involved in the teaching system. And in that system, we just take some opportunities that to groom the student for co-curricular activities like personality development, etc. But now, since this education system, we have also introduced, actually, university has introduced the paper for personality grooming. Like, or a student may go for NCC and also get the marks for that. So we are also introducing those things, and we are also continuing that student may join the personality grooming classes, extracurricular classes, sports classes, and also we have placement cell in our college. And with the help of placement cell, we support the student to means where opportunities are available in the market, or if any student want to go to higher education, then we have a team of placement cell. We which guide them. That is a particular course is very important for you, and you will have a good future with that.
Thank you, sir. And so the next question for you: how do you establish a healthy relation and environment in the college for students who are from different backgrounds?
This is a very important question.
Yeah.
Because every college receives or admits variety of students who are coming from different financial background or different social backgrounds. And since our college is like a charitable college, so we admit all those students who are willing to study. So first thing is that financial. There are many students who come to the college and they have not that much of fees which we take. So in that case, our management, they give support to the students. They give concessions to the students in financial part, and also we are aligned with the social welfare department of the state government. And from there, student can get their fees and scholarship also. Second part is their social background. Means some students they are coming from purely Hindi medium schools, some from village schools, or some from convents and other schools. So in that case, we continuously groom our teachers. When they enter in the classroom, they have to guide, or they have to look after a student who is from the very lower social background up to a very higher social background. They give the notes in English and Hindi medium, and we use bilingual type of teaching method also. And also we use LCD projectors and OHP projectors so that students may get sufficient amount of study material from world. And one more thing is that we also try to enhance the level of students. Means supposing any student is not able to get the notes in English, not able to take the lecture in English, then usually we try to give the lecture in Hindi or whatever language he knows. But gradually we try to ask those students to meet that teacher who is our English teacher. And gradually, students, after first year, they almost become at par with other students.
Thank you, sir. This is the last question for you. What are the greatest strength of your college?
The strength of our college is our quality of teaching and our relation with students.
Okay, sir. Sir, any suggestion would you like to give to the current youth?
Definitely. Actually, since few years, I am observing that students they usually in the mindset that just take admission in the college and study in their home. But my advice and message to the student that college is college, classroom teaching is classroom teaching. Whenever you come to the college or classroom, then you not only get the study material or content of your course curriculum, but also you get many other things from the teachers, like for your personality, like other aspects of the society. And you learn many things like how to walk, how to talk, all those things from the teachers. But without coming in the class, you will pass, you get a degree, but your personality will never